Tired of juggling contracts like a circus performer? Let's cut the paper clutter and figure out which contract site reigns supreme, DocuSign or PandaDoc. First up, DocuSign. Click that bright new button and easily upload your document. DocuSign shines with its straightforward approach, making it simple to send documents for signature. Drag and drop your fields to mark up where your clients need to sign, initial, date, or even fill in information. Now, let's hop over to PandaDoc. Notice the big Create Document button. PandaDoc's strength lies in its pre-built templates. Explore its extensive library covering proposals, contracts, quotes, and more. Select a template and customize it, significantly speeding up your document creation process. Time for the bottom line. Pricing. DocuSign offers various plans but can get pricey for larger teams or advanced features. PandaDoc also has different tiers, with some plans offering more comprehensive features like CRM integrations at a potentially better value for businesses needing those tools. Review both pricing pages carefully to determine which aligns best with your budget and specific needs. Finally, both platforms offer a user-friendly mobile experience, letting clients sign from anywhere. The choice ultimately depends on your priorities. If you value simplicity and widespread recognition, DocuSign is a solid choice. But if you need robust templating, CRM integrations, and potentially better pricing based on your usage, give PandaDoc a serious look.